Ajuwa Yankee. One in your fear bintu. Oba Jesselana a Ninku. Was it what I bass the Boko Hindu? Malangiri. Mufeda ko Johansen. Ye dia who see you will hanky. I then be ready as I shall armpits. Ko one of wuni bow. When I want my minute that wuni how. Me who Kofi mako many to yaw. Yakokana wood diata maya how. Blaq. Mama de kudi. You see the kuda mena beji kodidi. Yeah, you my dear shin kwai panibi. Na ma kuda mena chisa hanky. You ani anki nebo offer me Uchamilo Chawana zo pirazo Mr. Quanchi wala yibe kwanki demo Soje wasi komikatamo miebe Ohuti saying menu ngapote She wama midim Mama wa high What I'm to the what's our girl go Dubai Blaq
Says you no want money Yeah, they say all this for me Ghana gas in the woman Niger gas in the woman Handsome like I am My life got God designed Ghana gas in the woman
Girls not to me handcuff and then Meshia Puno be thank God. My time, cyborg, easy before you be a light off. Many that so energy. Girl, women banana da. Why see she girls in the cigar? Who was some engine coke Nicky Bar? You see them, you feel them. Maybe you hit me can imagine them. If I feel bonate, Naga manche. You could have been cooking them and a ton of pum shed. What's yellow? Mr. Hi, offer me, shall let me come fight. Or better me, I'm a fakakai. Who but the code like a recipe Diana lie. Blaq
says you no want money. Yeah, they say all this for me. Ghana gas in the woman. Niger gas in the woman. Handsome like I am. My life that God designed. Ghana gas in the woman. Niger gas in the woman. Says you no want money. Yeah, they say all this for me. Ghana gas in the woman. Niger gas in the woman. Handsome like I am. My life that God designed. Ghana gas in the woman. Niger gas in the woman.
You and me, Anki nebo, offer me, Uchamilo, Chawana zo pirazo, Mr. Quanchi wala yibe kwanki demo, Soje.
Good morning. I hope I'm away. Yeah, yes, I'm good. And that mother is, I hope that if you are your kuma, not baby. Oh, very cool. Yeah, sure. Yes. But say, we don't man to me, should then be someone, because now it's very late and I'm not stranded. So, when to me, be someone, and tell me about you guys. I just wanted to help. And it's not the mobile. First of all, I want to thank you. I really appreciate you. Thank you. The thing is, life is very tough for us. You know, life without parents and living in a small village is not easy for us. So, me and my sister, we decided to come to city and find something to do.
Yeah.
But
we don't have any parents or guardian. We hustle on the street. We sometimes sleep without even eating any food.
It wasn't easy. You go out in the night and I don't get it. You get something to eat. So you sleep with a man before you get something to eat.
Yes, we depend on them, but not that much. We got one or two guys.
There is a lot of work here. You can get something to do. You don't have to depend on the man to eat or get something. That's very bad. You know that.
Yeah, we know, but my dear, to get a job in the city is not easy.
Well, let's forget about that. That's a very bad story of yours, but I think you're not going back to that again.
Oh, no.
You're not going back again.
No, we are not.
Okay, I'll live with you. I stay with my parents, but they are not around.
Okay.
So I'll stay with you for some time.
Are you sure?
Sure. Stop it. Okay, we are ladies. I don't want you to go out sleep with the man before you get something to eat. I can help you, so why don't I help you?
Alright, thank you. Thank you.
Stop. No. Stand up, stop it. Stand up. Don't do that.
God bless.
God bless you too. So I don't like going out in the afternoon. Sorry for saying that. It's not like I'm giving you rules. I just don't like that. I don't go out in the afternoon, so you won't go out in the afternoon. You're not going out in the afternoon. And I don't like too much noise. Too much. I don't like it. Are you cool with that?
Yes, we are compatible.
Yeah, I'll give you money for shopping, everything. Anything you need, just anything you need, just tell me. I'll give you money for that, okay?
Okay.
If you want to go out, I don't go out in the afternoon, so you have to order something if you don't want to cook, and not too much pepper. I don't like it. Okay, you get it.
No problem.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
I think we will go. I'll call someone to get you some costumes and new hair, everything. Okay.
But this is Sandra. We promise you.
I'm Sandra, I'm not sister. Don't call me sister.
Okay. Sandra, we promise you. We abide by your rules and regulations.
Not too much rules. Just that you don't go out in the afternoon.
Okay.
No noise. I don't eat much pepper. That's all.
Let me say it like this. Okay. In the afternoon, we all sleep. Relax, right?
Yes. If you enjoy here,
yes.
you are not going out in the afternoon.
We are here to enjoy.
Oh, Atadwe, and you know, I hope you are doing good. Oh, by the grace. We thank God. We thank God. Oh, by the grace of God, as I have wake up and come here, I'm fine. I'm fine. And sister, how are you?
I'm also fine.
We thank God. Always I'm thinking about my sister, you know, because she's the believer of my heart. And I criticize to Pronklin, you know. I love she too much. I love her so much.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So, I just come to visit you and ask how things are going in this house, you know. So, I'm not here for any congregation. I'm just here to visit you. Now, what judgment is it?
Oh, everything is cool.
Oh, we thank God. We thank God.
By the grace of God.
We thank God.
Yeah. And your sister too.
Oh, wow.
She's very good, everything.
Wow. You know, this is what I'm looking for, because if you take someone's sister or someone's daughter, someone's brother, someone's everything, then you refuse to aggregate, you know. It's going it's going to be so manipulation for the two both of the love you are going to make and the love you are going to recognize, you know. So I'm very happy. So if I come to the house and all your faces laugh, then me too, I laugh.
But always I thank your mama who gave birth to her.
Yeah.
Because it's not all girls they can even take good care of a man.
Yeah, it's true. So sometimes it depends how they ratify him in the house. Send a baby see atete na fa no. Ntete ya no ne de san ne mani nyina ba o. Wan se o ba tem wo ne ba na wa to na sawram. Ba sa no hia be ma wa hwe a on fa wa nya hwe.
But I work with school.
Oh, me Kumasi Anglican.
Kumasi
Anglican Supercast. So I'm a disciple as I'm sitting here, you know.
I'm a
Kondia na say Anglican there.
Okay.
Oh, she can laugh. You know.
I need to go to work.
Sister Bibia be fan what? Can walk come to him.
Atadwe. Jiwe na ya na ode afaka.
Oh, akwanta manengo ho.
Oh,
akwanta David. Akwanta soro men sada men say. Akwanta be yam kamanengo ho. O se dey. O se fashi mana. Ko no abete pawo.
Atadwe.
Akwanta, wo hu denti America se man we ade ama mu betin dia man sister. Se wo hu 200. Akwanta fa ba ko kan we.
They can manage me.
Maybe in Vuga or a number be done, but Procassi on one member be the Waconta.
But my mature day.
Meet you,
And then we are saying, Canon and I work with you know what the money about. And I was no tea and a wedding.
To Chirima.
To be Chirimus Canada, the amount one cast of show.
Oh, I
could have one on your baby, see, and what I would your baby.
Oh, when it didn't shed on your scabia, save you. Any year, Huntiman Kaiwa, and your problem. Go to 1 day, city, said, 100 million, 7 years, maybe there. No sister, Junior, you be I'm a body to your baby for months. Who must say I contaminate Margino, made them a ban me back, who come pay US. Tis a number of margin year, my passport, I'm a plane ticket. I be quite there from her to US, the Okita 100 million crabiti Marco.
I have US 100 million.
100 million.
Wifey. Mammy, and I'm encouraging today.
100
million call US, they are sending you the 3 city in the back.
Maybe I'm not going to tap on a person. I went to any boat. What's it? For us and so 200 cities. Now, means sister, I've been to Grand into an Indiana. This have been into an Indiana. Send and say, Papa, Papa. Only Antifa won't to film. Beko ko no se nkowi abi nchima bejimo.
Hey.
Ya o hwa de hu ane se bele ho aba bele ho ba ni bofu gigigigigi ne ne de ebesi wo ho. Ni fa wo nso ho ba ye. O se he atadwe donya me se ne me ku. Ni ba kura na se. Na nya senketwa.
Sanka ye.
Hwe. Se saji media ja o. One ne ba be sisi asem no. Hwe na nya senketwa kura. Bra ma bre. Ka ya bo nya senketwa.
So yeah, I didn't know yes sir.
O say
na odi o ko wi esa ide.
Minja di so achia wo. Nda free. Minja di. Se na nso kwati go no.
Have this. Yeah, for transportation. I've called the lady. You can go for the dress. I have paid for it, so use this for transportation. Maybe you get something on me, so.
Thank you. God bless you. Don't do that.
Yeah, so you can go.
Hey, Sandra. Please, if you offend you in some way, don't hesitate. Please find a way in your heart for US.
I got you. But I just don't. You know what I don't like. She'll close around 8, so you have to get there before 8. Alright. You're not going now in the evening.
Okay.
You have to get there before 8.
Alright. As my sister said.
No, thank you. I'm not taking that again.
Just hear me out.
Say thank you.
I'm not going to say thank you. As my sister said, you know, if you really misbehave or do something that you don't like, please let us know and forgive us, okay?
You get to know me. If you misbehave, I'll just talk to you anyhow.
That's what's happening. Yes.
I'll talk to you anyhow.
What's happening?
I'll talk to you. I'll lash you.
My dear,
I'll beat
worry.
you. I'll beat the hell out of you, so don't misbehave.
We promise.
Aside that you're good to go, I don't have any problem with anyone.
Okay.
You get it.
Thank you.
Don't go. Go and rest because you go out in the evening. Choose nice dress. Choose nice dress.
Pink dress.
Excuse me, you're not wearing that.
Okay.
But so beautiful. Do you want someone to?
So which one?
Another dress, nice one. You're not wearing that pink dress. Do you want someone to get accidents?
Okay, don't worry.
I don't have money for
I
that.
prefer the blue one. That one is sexy. Sexy. Look at you.
This girl wants to look sexy. I don't have problem with that, but not that pink dress, please.
Okay.
We were talking when I walked in, so you have to continue. I'm leaving. Please, I will eat.
Okay.
I will eat. This afternoon. I'm waiting for you.
All right.
Don't reach my nigga. Nigga. Bro,
You are wise.
I told you, nigga. Me, I know places how comes to yeah. How you cheat,
You are such a guy.
bro? I mean, me shot me kwabon ta kwa chill, me chill one you know.
That's what you say. Senka me di nipa no echi anka me come hye brush o.
Obi wo ho a. Oye ne jawe nye yi wa asase so.
Me donya me besi.
Na ade ya friends so obi hu bi na che.
Na obi de hu.
This adakem. Bro, I told you me say yenko. Let's go have fun. Let's go chill.
See here me no ka say kra no. Me picture girl to sa.
Basa.
Already.
She's the definition of beauty. She's beautiful, gorgeous.
Na woni asama kan ye me de kra ni say. Ene nyumre me do baby. Ene
Bro, hey, say upon life here. Many bro.
Where they?
Because the way ya girl on sit here no.
When here they?
For you, my name bro say be I come near me, but I'm trying to say is like girl were very nice.
We you good.
Hey, please. About you. So we can now to meet us on you with the Indian come. Bro, like I was saying, man. Say the girl on sit here no. Bro, the girl is beautiful. She's really gorgeous. She's that kind of girl. When you close to her, you feel it. You feel me?
I feel papa.
Because but also and easy. And you come on say a beautiful girl, a pretty girl like her caliber. Because like she's sponsoring the drinks you got. Man,
Jenny, I would die for this girl. Jale.
We dey kuti apa na mo bomi you. I know if I'm a mom.
And fine. Chale.
Fanta.
Into the bed no.
Fanta. You know, I've been telling you times without number.
Be ma wo kasa suspicion wo che. Ene manager say ene tomani di.
And there be say nya 27 year ka. The year ko hu no.
That exactly.
It is you have the keys. Open the door for him to enter.
Fanta. I wish you were there yesterday.
Wo de canopy na we ndi o tire inside the same people ba.
Minyaya na nka wo ho endra.
Enu anyume na nkata mo
To
ko.
witness what happened. What we witnessed.
Some kacha mo say mfa. Yakobo.
Come and see your brother.
Fanta.
Come
Oba.
and see your brother.
Our club one. It wasn't any kind of girl.
Ghana ni ba na Bruni.
Ghana Niba.
Me the Bruni here, Bibi me the Bruni here.
Hey!
Fanta. Could you believe say Oba no na drink say you told you. I've me the me no dem say them metia. And will you claim so you can order for more, you can ask for more.
So one top blow.
Oh, you know me shishi me.
Some you say you be bomb you na ka.
Gumeni masi.
Fanta, you really the girl was like, "Oh, I want to settle the bills."
Settle na say all say
So
ya kanu nyina.
Floko no I am a power ni man. Oba Ghana ni ba betu awo nsa ho ka.
That is the difference. That makes the difference. That's anything I'm surprised about it, man.
Shit.
But you know I'm turn o honu nyina oba no mo de tuaka.
I'm telling you.
Na I get the answer na o kasa wo ba o sama uska se ho.
Ono a.
The same girl.
Sa girl na.
Floko no ha obo a.
Fanta, you won't believe it. I wish you were there to witness it yourself.
They will tua no money nyina ho ka no.
That
Make
same
girl.
girl.
Ya no sa no one lie.
Wait.
Who lie?
You call you know.
Koyo, we dey come so ble.